The all-new Hyundai Tucson looks like no other model in the brand's lineup, and that's exactly the point, with Hyundai giving each of its key models their own unique identity from this point forward, and it starts with this, the fourth generation of one of the brand's best-selling cars. But it's more than just skin deep, with new safety, new tech, and internationally at least, new hybrid powertrains designed to take the fight to cars like the Toyota RAV4. Now, we can't drive it yet, but we can get up close and personal with it ahead of its launch in Australia early next year. So let's go and take a closer look. But first, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss a video. And if you're feeling particularly charitable, maybe throw a like at us too.
Initially, the Tucson will be offered with newer versions of the current engine lineup, including a 2-litre diesel, 2-litre petrol, and 1.6-litre turbo petrol. But internationally, the Tucson gets a 1.6-litre hybrid powertrain that produces a combined 171 kilowatts and 348 newton meters, and there's a plug-in hybrid option too. Now, Australia is investigating the launch of the Tucson's new electrified powertrains, though don't expect them to arrive in the short term, and certainly not by the time this vehicle hits dealerships in the first half of 2021.
So we're going to start outside the vehicle because there are some new and really very cool design elements at play here. My favorite being this kind of Lego block design grille that stretches from end to end, but that also magically transforms into the car's LED daytime running lights when you fire it up. It's part of what the brand calls its sensuous sportiness design identity, and it includes these razor sharp creases on the bonnet and on the door panels, and these alloy wheels that look kind of architecturally designed. The point is, the car looks very different to the one it replaces, the only danger there being just how palatable the whole package will be to the less adventurous SUV buyer.
Hyundai is promising plenty of all-new tech for the Tucson, including the ability to turn your smartphone into a car key, meaning you can lock or unlock the car, start the engine and set up the climate settings from a phone app while you're up to 27 meters away. The brand's SmartSense safety suite will also arrive, which offers highway driving assist, AEB with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, a blind spot view monitor, blind spot collision warning, the list goes on.
The cabin is a seriously premium feeling space, what with this perfectly embedded screen that acts much like your phone might. There's another screen in front of the driver, digital aircon controls, and this flat lay gear selector. The materials are all soft under touch, and there is this permeating sense of quality in here, at least in this top spec model. But the big news, and I mean that literally, is the space for passengers. So let's jump back there and check it out. The new Tucson is bigger than the car it replaces, and it feels like all of that extra room arrives here in the back seat. I mean, look at this place, it is massive. I'm sitting behind my own 175 centimeter driving position, and you could probably fit another one of me again in front. And because the tunnel's quite low, you could even fit 3 adults across the back in something approaching comfort. Elsewhere though, there's 2 USB charge points, individual air vents, and hidden in this pull-down divider, a pair of cup holders.
There's little doubt the new Tucson shifts the needle on the outgoing car. The only question is just how quickly its new and out there design language will be accepted by its traditional customer base. Time will tell. But those who do upgrade will find a vehicle that, though we're yet to drive it, does seem to improve on the formula in every way when it comes to space, style and features. It's just a shame we don't have a launch date for those hybrids. It feels like the brand might be missing a trick there, given the runaway success of the RAV4. Now don't forget to hit subscribe to stay on top of all of our latest videos, and head on over to the CarsGuide.com.au website to get your motoring fix.